Hello everybody, my name is JT. Today I'm going to do a unboxing and quick review of the Keurig K-Mini coffee maker. So let me go ahead and unbox this first. So the first thing you're getting is the actual manual of the K-Mini. And here we have the K-Mini. So the one you're looking at right now, this is the evergreen color version. As you can see, it has this nice mint green version. I really like that. I like the accent color green on top as well. And the reason I purchased this one in particular is that I was looking for a coffee maker that was compact because of my small apartment. And I found this one in particular. And it caught my eye because of the colors and because it had a K-cup pot on top. So normally you can buy K-cup pots from different companies, or you can buy reusable ones and you can place them here. So this is an easier way to simply wake up in the morning, make a hot brew of coffee, and get ready to go to work. On the back side, you have the retractable cord that is placed inside the actual K-Mini, which makes it another feature that I like about this coffee maker. So you just pull on it and it also retracts as well. So that's a cool thing as well. So the K-Mini can actually brew up to 6 to 12 ounce cups. And of course, with the K-cup pot on top, it's one K-cup per coffee. And in the back, on the top part, let me see if you can see this. Right here is indication of max and minimum for the actual coffee cup. And let me go ahead and get this open. Get these open and ready to go. On the bottom part, you have your actual tray. This is a spill tray, just in case if we're to spill, it will be here. This is removable as well for you to clean later on. The top part has the actual power on button, and this is the water reservoir for the actual ounces that you're going to place for your cup. So overall, I like it. It has a nice sleek design. It's compact. This is mainly for somebody, you know, maybe an office place. If you have a small compact apartment and you're trying to save space, this one definitely will work for you. Personally, I like the way it looks. I like the way it works. And so if you're looking for something like this, you might want to consider this one. I personally recommend this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.